I call it an anaconda, man. Oh. Look at the size of that dosa. Tomato uttapam. You're making a plain uttapam. So he's making a plain uttapam. Uttapam for me is like a South Indian version of pizza. This is the dosa batter here. And now he'll be adding oil. Detailed dosa batter recipe is there on our channel. There you see. कितने देर ऐसा रखना है? So after 2 minutes, you have to. 5 minutes में लग गया. Within 5 minutes, you have to just flip.
सादा डोसा 3 मिनट, उत्तपा 5 मिनट.
So it would have been a plain dosa. Within 3 minutes, you have to flip. But uttapa is more thick.
Plain उत्तपा 5 मिनट.
It's like a pancake.
अभी एक मसाला पार्सल डालो.
And now he's got one more order. क्या order है आपका?
मसाला डोसा पार्सल.
And now he's making a masala dosa. Look at him go. No cuts, no retakes. You're watching The Good Food Show. Watch all our videos in Hindi on My Kind of Productions. That's another channel. This is a busy kitchen of Swadesh Veg Restaurant in Mumbai. Here you can see pre-preparations going on. Just keep watching this new channel. And mashed potatoes with a lot of masalas. The detailed recipe of this masala dosa is also there on our channel, My Kind of Productions. It's gone crispy. And here's uttapa. It's a thicker version of dosa. And here you go. He's rolled it. Look at the balance.
पार्सल. मार ले.
Now he's making the onion variant of the uttapa. Sada uttapa is ready and now he's making the onion variant. Again, he's taking the batter of dosa. It's more thicker. It's like a pizza. Call it a pancake. And you have to just top it up with chopped onions, just like how pizzas you can choose your toppings. You can just add whatever you like. Adding more chilies. It's going to be spicy. And coriander. How do you make this? ये कैसे बनाते हैं? अपने मुंह से बताओगे जैसे?
ये टमाटो उत्तपा है.
टमाटो
उत्तपा है.
जी.
अनियन उत्तपा,
टमाटो उत्तपा, मसाला उत्तपा, कैप्सिकम
उत्तपा है.
Whatever you feel like, you can add the toppings.
उत्तपा है.
Okay, you can add cheese also on the uttapa. Wow.
स्वदेश स्पेशल मसाला है.
स्वदेश स्पेशल मसाला.
रोल है.
और ये बैटर कैसा बनता है?
डोसा भी अपन चावल और
मिक्स करके
उसके अंदर नमक और शक्कर डाल के.
So like soaked rice and then you have to grind it with salt. The detailed recipe is there on our channel, and here we have the sada uttapa ready, and now he's added oil. Onion uttapa coming up. Nice brown color coming. Keep on checking. And now he's got to flip it. Backside base plain and topped with a lot of chilies. That's the onion, chili. Here you go. the uttapam ready. Lovely colors. Looks very tempting and tasty. Recipe is coming live from the kitchen of the Indian restaurants. Then you can also top it up with some cheese. That's our Indian version of pizza. Lovely, isn't it? And there you serve it hot with a lot of green chutney and sambar. The paper sada dosa coming up. Paper sada dosas are huge ones. Big dosas. Paper sada dosa बहुत बड़ा रहता है. Oh, so that's the way they make it. Look at that. Look at the way they go. So it's like an amalgamation of two dosas. That's paper sada. Dosa batter on the flat tawa. Look at the size of the dosa. Gone brown, crispy, crunchy, and it's huge. I call it an anaconda, man. Oh. Look at the size of that dosa. Fried rice is ready? There you go. Super quick, super fast. Guys, now I'm inside a veg restaurant in Mumbai and they are making fried rice. He's added chopped carrots and French beans. ये French bean और गाजर डाला ना?
गाजर.
He's added carrot and French beans. The veg fried rice coming up. Indian version.
Chinese.
Indo-Chinese fried rice. You have to roast that in oil and 1 bowl of boiled rice
Some onion powder.
and spring onion green. To roast it. ये क्या डाला आपने?
Namak
He's added salt
powder.
and
Kala mirch powder.
white pepper
White
and
pepper.
aromatic powder, seasoning powder. And whoa, look at him go. Super fast, super quick. Fried rice is ready? There you go. Super quick, super fast, tasty, tempting, alluring.